Hi there, I'm Miles Peterson, and you're watching O3D Engineer. I'm here again at Catoosa, and we have these two tornado sirens. I made a video of this in the past. They haven't changed much, actually, and that was about 5 months ago from this video. So anyway, I'm just here to give you a good close-up of these and tell you a little more about them. So the city of Catoosa took these guys down because they just were getting old, and actually if you look over there, there's an Eclipse 8. They've installed a couple of those around the city. But anyhow, we've got two sirens here. We've got an RSH-10B Thunderbeam and two T22, respectively two T22A, because it's got the three-phase motor. Anyhow, this is the siren that I might be winning at an auction. I don't know when that's happening. Haven't got many updates about that. But essentially, this... trying to get a good view of the inside of that thing, but there's the chopper, and holy moly, that thing's huge. But anyway, like I said before, I did shoot a video of these guys already, and you can check that out in the corner right now. But I just wanted to get a better shot of the sirens, because, well, I'm going to be honest, I don't really understand how these fully work. You know, not every aspect. But anyway, rotor and stator, really hard to see through this mesh, but it's in there somewhere. The gear reducer is somewhere in that cone down there. Yeah, this is the RSH-10B. It's an RSH-10B because if you notice this puppy, this is an STH-10B motor, if that makes any sense. Model tag. See if we can try to get a focus. I'll put a picture on screen over that. Oh, no, there we go. There it is. Anyway, that's the specs of that guy. Some old control boxes. Unfortunately, no siren timers. They seem to have ripped those out. But just kind of some fuse boxes and something. See? So these are all kind of junk at this point. This is pretty cool though. We got an old civil defense sticker on here. That's really creepy. If you can make out any words, it's creepy. Anyhow, then here's one of my favorite sirens of all time, the good old-fashioned 2T22. Gosh, my camera's off focus. Let me fix it. Okay, now my camera's focused. Yep, so here's of course 10-port, 12-port on the top. Here's something really funny. It's after the 4th of July, it's August now, and somebody lit fireworks in this horn. Actually, looks like there might have been some damage there from them, but it's hard to say. Anyway, we got the horns, huge motor. They just kind of chopped it off the pole there. And these things are awesome, so yeah, I haven't gotten much of an update on these, but been talking to the local fire chief and all that. Pretty awesome, so just to keep this video short, it's pretty much unedited, but I just wanted to show you all these two big guys, pretty awesome, and I might be getting that Thunderbeam, so I'll keep you posted, and if there's any updates, I'll let you know. I'm Miles Peterson, and you stay creative.